Hi, this is our work. Welcome to Sigbay Vape Store. The members are Bacchus Arnold Ray, De Jesus Stephen Ice, and Pagaduan James Riel. This is our homepage. The user lands on a clean page with a clear navigation bar. The hero section features a strong value proposition. Your one-stop shop for premium vape products. The bold Shop Now button is the primary action, immediately guiding users toward the products. This is our products page. Upon clicking Shop Now or Products, the user is taken to a well-organized product catalog. Each product card has a consistent structure, a product image, the name, and the model, a short descriptive line, the price, in Philippines peso, showing local market targeting, and a clear add to cart button. This layout allows for quick scanning and comparison.
May checkout namin, eto po, pag pinindot nyo po dito sa add to cart, magda-direct mo na po siya sa ano. Tsaka ang kagandahan po nito sa checkout namin, pag na ano, makikita niya rin po pag nasa home. Ayan, hindi po rin nagbago. Ayan po. Tsaka ito. Pagdating po sa checkout, may makikita po tayong price, tsaka makikita yung name, tsaka yung total ng amount po. Sabihin natin, ito po ay dalawa. Ayan. Unlimited po yan. Tsaka ito po. Ito po yung nandito yung billing information natin. May pangalan, address, email, phone number, tsaka payment method po natin. Sige po, try po natin siyang ilagay. Ito po, tsaka email address. Sabihin natin, ayan, MM. Tapos, ito, sabihin natin, ayan, Gmail. Para mag-direct pag nag-process na yung order. Tsaka, ito kailangan talaga, ito po ang kagandahan, sakto dapat sa 11 yung number. Na, ano, ay, ayan po. Basta yan, magana po yan. Tapos, place cash on delivery, magda-direct na po yan agad. Order placed successfully, the direct. Yan. Na-empty na yung cart natin. Thank you for order. Your order has been placed. Success. This cart has been reset. Yan. Tsaka ito po yung about us po namin na ginawa para malaman nyo kung saan nagsimula yung vape shop ng Sigbay. Yan. Ito po siya. So, in 2015, was founded in California, USA. Ayan. Nandito po yung mga detalye. Ito na, taas ang vision po namin, make your favorite flavor. Saka, and yung mission namin, spread happiness and health. Ang core value namin, healthy, happiness, growing, successful. Ay, success pala. Ay, mga philosophy, tsaka ito, mga ano namin, why us. Ayan. And ito pa example lang isa. We treat you as value partner. Yan. Tapos policy, yan. May mga policy po tayo dyan. Yan. Pwede ka maging distributor. Yan. Become Sigbay, become franchise, country representative, ganyan po. Meron po yan. Nilagyan po namin siyang background para ano. Saka nilagyan po namin ng container bawat ano. Yun lang po.